Mountain. Oh, Virginia is for lovers! Now we're currently going down the mountain. How long has it been?
An hour.
It's been an hour and we've gone how far?
Probably 10 miles.
About 10 miles and it's taken us an hour. But it's a beautiful day and we're gonna go eat
something up there.
in 3 rivers. So Christian and I are just out here observing this beautiful river. One of the 3 actually. Waiting for our coffees. Super pretty. Wait, look, they have a just in case.
Well, I guess maybe that's 2.
Yeah, I think they all maybe 3 combined into 1.
Oh, look at that blue jay.
Can you imagine to get to that ranger station? She said the traffic almost to here.
Salsa is so good.
Mm-hmm.
Here's our hotel in Sacramento. Ew. So now we are going to eat dinner at, what's it called? Viva! We're at this very fancy Italian restaurant. We just had dinner and now we're back at the Westin and we're gonna get a good night's sleep. And what are we doing tomorrow, Dad?
We're going to go bike riding.
Bike riding.